Hello everyone, this is lesson number 15, HSK 2, and chapter number 8. And let's continue. In this lesson, we will learn new words, and the next lesson, we practice audio. Let's see. First one for today is hey, hey, black. Hey, it has gotten dark. We need to go home. 天黑了，我们要回家。天黑了。The 天 is like sky, and黑了 become dark. So this let's show change of situation. Before it was day, now it's dark. 天黑了，我们要回家。We need to go home. 我们要回家，回家 to go back. 天黑了，我们要回家。I don't like black clothes. 我不喜欢黑色的衣服。衣服 clothes 黑色 black color 黑色的衣服。我不喜欢黑色的衣服。黑色黑色。Whose black dog is that? 那只黑狗是谁的？只 here's the measure word for small animals. You can say 哪个黑狗？哪只黑狗 black dog 是谁的 is belong to whom 谁的谁的哪只黑狗 or 哪个哪只黑狗是谁的是谁的 Next one 天气 weather Today weather is very good 今天天气非常好今天 today 天气 weather 非常好 very good very good 今天天气非常好 Did you check tomorrow's weather 你看明天的天气了吗你看 You can say 看 with le You can say 你看了 or you can put le in the end also possible 你看明天的天气 So 天气 weather 明天 tomorrow So weather for tomorrow 明天的天气了吗你看了你看了明天对的 So you can put la in the end is also possible Look or check I don't like hot weather 我不喜欢热天气我不喜欢热的 hot 天气 weather 我不喜欢热天气 Next one 服务员 waiter or waitress because 服务 is like service and 员 is like working staff or member or some personnel some employee employer employee waiter please give me a cup of water 服务员请 please 给我 give me 给我一杯水 one cup of water 一杯 for cup 水 water 服务员请给我一杯水一杯水的水 That waiter is very polite 那个服务员很客气那个服务员 member or waiter 服务员很客气对很客气 is very polite 客气 we know 不客气 don't need to be polite but this one 很客气那个服务员很客气 She is a waitress at this restaurant 她是这个饭馆 restaurant 服务员waitress or waiter just because 他是他是这个饭馆的服务员 waitress of this restaurant 饭馆的服务员 Next one 等 to wait so this is a bit hard to pronounce we know 冷 for cold 等 for wait 我头疼 for illness for very painful. So a lot of different words with 萌 also. I'm waiting for you at the school gate. 我在学校门口等你。学校门口，school gate，在学校门口等你，wait you entrance or gate，我在学校门口等你。Please wait a moment, I'm coming right away。请等一下。So this 一下 a bit for a moment. If you just say 请等 it's like please wait. Not that not that polite, but you can say 请等一下。等一下 please wait for a moment. 我等一等 I'm coming right away. 我马上来。So this 马上 immediately right away. 马 is like horse. 上 on. So on horses. It's mean maybe fast in old China. But now just quickly, right away, immediately, as soon as possible. 我马上来，请等一下，我马上来，我马上来。Don't I think 马上。Also zero tone. Okay, 马上。我马上就来，马上就去拿。So just what this action is right away happen. Don't wait for the bus. Let's walk. 别等公共汽车了，别等 don't wait. 公共汽车 bus. 别等公共汽车了，我们走路吧。走路 to walk. So let's walk. So ba for let's. 我们走路吧。别等公共汽车了，我们走路吧。走路。Next one, buy white. Buy. Do you want to buy the white one or the red one? 你想买白色？你想买白色的还是红色的？ So you want to buy? 你想买白色的。So this the show 白色的衣服，白色的什么的，对 some you can put something on the right, but in the context you can just say the 白色的还是 or 红色的 red one 红色的。So this buy is not used with buy this one. It's this one is 100 and has a right it's short tone. But this one buy this is buy 一百 but 白色你想买白色的还是红色的？ Her hair has turned white. 她的头发白了。So this 白了 means her because she already very old. Now she has this white color of, right? I think white color. 她的头发白了。So this le is show, as you can see, turned white. So this le is responsible for the turn, the change of situation. Before maybe it was black, now it's become white. 她的头发白了。This little white cat is very cute. 这只小白猫很可爱。只 also measure word for small animals. 小 small 白 white 猫 cat 小白猫很可爱 is very cute. 这只小白猫很可爱。Next one 在 again or once more 在 Please read it one more time. 请再读一次。Please 请再 Here's again. For example 再见 right? See you more. See you again. 再见 or again if you separate. 再读 to read 一次 one time. So 请再读一次。So this 读 is to read aloud. Also to read aloud also could be not allowed, but in this context, I think it's allowed. 这一次 time like 请再读一次 one more time. I will come to look for you again tomorrow. 我明天再来找你。我明天 tomorrow 再 again 来 come 找你。Here's I come to look or to look for someone, to search for someone 找。我明天再来找你。I will talk to you tomorrow. Also possible. 我明天再来找你。So this 找 has different translation depend on situation. Next one, goodbye. I have to leave. 再见，再见。So 见 to see. 再 again, see you again. 再见。我要走了。I have to go. 我要走了。Or I have to go, or I'm going to go, I'm going to leave. You can say 我要走了。But more I have to go. 我要走了。Next one,让 to permit, to let, to make. So this also has a lot of translation, but let's see. My mom doesn't let me watch TV. 妈妈不让我看电视。So here is not a let, not permit. 妈妈不让我 not let me 看电视 watch TV. 妈妈不让我看电视。Let me have a look at your book. 让我看一下你的书。让我 let me 看一下 take a look. So this quickly look. 看一下你的书 your book. 让我看一下你的书。The teacher made him answer the question. 老师让他回答问题。So this one 让 is to make someone do something. You can say ask him to answer a question, or you can say push him or made him, or even you can say teacher is ask him to answer a question. Also like this one. 老师让他 made him 回答 to answer 回答问题 question. 老师让他回答问题。问题 question. Next one, 告诉 to tell something. 告诉 tell, say, inform, show. Can you tell me what this is? 你能告诉我 You can tell me 你能告诉我这是什么吗？这是什么 Also could be without 吗？这是什么 This is what 这是什么？你能告诉我这是什么？ He told me he isn't coming tomorrow. 他告诉我他明天不来。他告诉我 He told me 他明天 tomorrow 不来 isn't come 不来。他告诉我 tell me 他明天不来 tomorrow will not come 明天 you can say 不会来 or just 不来 is okay because we already have tomorrow, so we don't need to show future tense one more time. Please don't tell the others. 请不要告诉别人。不要 don't need to 告诉 to inform to tell 别人 other people. 请不要告诉别人。Here's 别 is another people. 别 other people. Next one, 找 to look for something. 找 what it's very similar to character 我 but as you can see it's here is connected, here is not connected, this central line. What thing are you looking for? 你在找什么东西？在找 look and 在 here's action, continuous action, so looking for looking. 你在找什么东西 ？What thing？什么东西 ？Like say, what thing are you looking for？你在找什么东西 ？What thing？I'm looking for my mobile phone right now。我正在 right now 正在找 search or looking for 我的手机mobile phone 手机找 find look for seek seek search and 正在手 right now you can say just 在 or 正在 is more complete form 我正在找我的手机。Your friend came to look for you. 你的朋友来找你了。So here's 找 to look for you or to search for you. He asked for you, want to see you, right? 你的朋友来 came 找你了 search for you, look for you 找你了。你的朋友来找你了。Next one 事情 affair, matter or thing. You can say sometimes omit just to 事 or 事情 is full form. I have many things to do today. 我今天有很多事情要做。我今天 today 有很多事情 has a lot of things, has many things 有很多事情要做 need to do, have to do 要做。我今天有很多事情要做 have to do 要做。This is a happy matter. 这是一件快乐的事情。快乐 happy 一件，你可以一个或一件。这是一件快乐的事情。或快乐的事 is also possible. Do you have any matters? Or can I help you? 你有什么事情吗？you have 什么事情 what things or any matter some problems maybe some situation I can help anything 什么事情你有什么事情吗？你有什么事情吗？你有什么事？什么事？什么事情？And the last one is 贵 expensive 贵贵 master 贵 This piece of clothing is a little expensive 这件衣服 also 这个衣服这件衣服有点儿贵 a bit expensive 有点儿贵 so 有点 a little or 有点儿贵 so this 件 is very similar to this 件 so because it's because it's the same 件这件衣服有点儿贵 a bit expensive I think apples are expensive 我觉得苹果很贵。我觉得 I think I consider, but not I feel, but it's more like think. 我觉得苹果 apple 很贵 is very expensive. 我觉得苹果很贵。Also, it is expensive. I like it. 虽然很贵 also, or even if it's very expensive, 虽然很贵但是我喜欢 but I like it. 但是我喜欢 I like it. Even if but sometimes but cannot be could be omitted, but you still need to say 但是。虽然很贵，但是我喜欢，我喜欢。Let's repeat what we learned today. Hey, black. Hey, 天气，天气 weather 天气。服务员 waiter or waitress 服务员等 to wait 等 by white by 在 again or once more 在让 to permit to let to make 让告诉 to tell 告诉找 to look for something 找不到找到事情 affair matter or thing 事情 and 贵 expensive 贵 so next lesson we will practice in our audio and see you